Hello dear student, I am Ujjwal Mollik, an assistant teacher, English, Kosuria Bazar HSMM, Secondary School, Mullat, Bagirhat. Today I will discuss one verb, especially the classification of verb. At first we have to know what is verb. Verb, we can define the verb. Verb is a word that indicates the activities of something. The words which indicate to do something is called the verb. For example, we can write I write an email. I write an email. Here write is a verb. He eats rice. In this sentence, eats is a verb. By this word write, we mean to do something, and by this word eats, we mean something, that means the activity of eating. So these two words are called verb. Mainly there are two types of verbs: finite verb, non-finite verb. Finite verb and then non-finite verb. Finite verb, non-finite verb. Finite verb means the verb that has ability to finish a work. That has ability to finish a work. That means in these two sentences, the verb write, eats, these are called finite verb. These two verbs are called finite verb. And then non-finite verb. We see in a sentence there are one or more verbs, but all the verbs do not have the ability to finish the activity. Such as we can write I saw him to go. In this sentence there are two verbs, saw, go. In this sentence, saw is a finite verb. Saw is a finite verb. And to go, it is non-finite verb. To go. That means the verb saw finish the activity of seeing him, but this verb go do not finish the activity. I saw him to go, and the verb with to is called infinitive. This is a non-finite verb. Today I will discuss on non-finite verb. There are three types of non-finite verb. Three types of non-finite verb. One is participle. Number two, gerund. Number 3, infinitive. There are three types of non-finite verb. One is participle, then number two gerund, then number three infinitive. What is participle? Participle is a verb. It is a non-finite verb, and the verb form which acts as an adjective is called participle. For example, we can write I saw him going. I saw him going. Here saw is a verb, it is finite verb, and then going is a verb, it is non-finite verb, and this verb is called participle because it acts as a adjective. And then we can write another sentence. You got the car painted. You got the car painted. Painted is a non-finite verb and it is called participle. In these two sentences, going and painted, these two verbs works as a adjective in this sentence. So these two verbs are called participle. There are three types of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. The verb form which has ing form is called present participle, and the verb is in past participle form is called past participle, and the verb using having finished the duty, he went away. In this sentence there is a verb having finished. This verb is called perfect participle. That means after have verb, if we see past participle form of a verb, it is called perfect participle. So we can see there are three types of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Then we will discuss on gerund. Gerund. The verb form taking ing form but acts as a noun and verb is called gerund. That means walking is a good exercise. It is a verb form, walking, but this verb acts as a noun and is verb. In this sentence is a principal verb. So walking having ing form acts as a noun, so it is called gerund. Then infinitive. Infinitive, the verb which take preposition to before it is called infinitive. For example, we can write he saw you to do the work. Here in this sentence there are two verbs, saw and to do. In this sentence, swa is a finite verb, but to do is a non-finite verb, and the verb form, present form, if takes preposition to before it, is called infinitive. To do is an infinitive. So in our class today we will discuss the non-finite verb. There are three types of non-finite verb: participle, gerund, and infinitive. I think you will understand, you have got some points or ideas about these non-finite verbs, and we will discuss more about this in another class. So no more today. Thank you all.